Well, the day was about rainy and cloudy from morning, and we had a great lunch from Bali Hotel. Then we planned to visit beside Patangaria, which is called Fishing Village, and they are economic based on catching fish and harvesting seafood. Usually this is located calling the fishing ground. Well, coastal fishing villages are often somewhat isolated and site around a small nature harbor which provides safe and haven for a pleasure fleet and fishing boats. The village needs to provide a safe way of landing fish and securing boats when they are not in use. The main of the park targeting their fish is like chingri, ilish. The ground of consent is busy to be. To wrap up, most surviving fishing villages are traditional.